Do you like the area you live in?
Yeah, I love my neighbor. I love neighborhood because it was clean,
It
green.
is.
It is clean, green, and beautiful.
Okay, this is a very short answer. Do you like the area you live in? Yes, I love my neighborhood very much. I've been living there since my childhood and I'm very much familiar with all the area. And by the way, this area has got all the facilities. So therefore, I like my locality very much. Neighborhood, locality, area, variety.
Okay.
Let's go on. What are some changes in the area recently?
Yeah, recently there was an opening ceremony of gym, and this was a very expensive gym because the interior of that gym was very glamour, and it attracts to people to join that gym, and this is a very good thing for our area because it increase the you can say that popularity of that area.
Okay, all
So
right. So just focus the question and even at the end try to link your answer with the question.
okay.
Do you know any famous people in your area?
No, I don't know much about people in my area because I don't know much about people who are living in my area because of my um,
Okay. Now, do you know any famous people in your area? No, I don't know if there is any famous person in my area. All the people are mostly government servants and some of them they have their own business. So we don't have any famous person in my area like that, okay?
okay.
Where do you like to go in your area?
Uh, mm, in my area, there are many places to go, and I like to go market on weekends in my leisure time to buy some need things,
Needful things.
needful things, and also for shopping. And there also a park in our
There is
society.
a park.
There is a park in our society which is very beautiful, and it all contains swings which is very enjoyable.
Okay, now be specific. Talk about one thing and elaborate about that.
Okay.
I mean, don't talk about five things. Talk about one thing. Where do you like to go in that area? I would love to go to a park which is in my area, and this park is quite nice. It's quite well organized. So in the morning, I always go there. Something like that. Okay. All right. Let's go on. It's going to be your turn, please. Uh, is it about your voice?
Yes, sir.
Right. So has your voice ever changed?
Yeah, yeah, my voice changed when I became a teenager. It is due to hormonal things.
Hormonal things.
And my voice become
My wife,
my voice
voice or wife changed?
voice
Wife change ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਹਾਂ
my
ਕਿਆ
voice
ਬਾਤ
became too
ਤੇ ਮੈਂ
deep.
ਨਿੱਕਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਵਾਈਫ ਹੋਰ ਸੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਵਾਈਫ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਇਹ ਔਰ ਅਭੀ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਲ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਕਰ ਰਹਾ ਹੂੰ ਓਕੇ ਗੁੱਡ Alright, let's go on. Is your voice similar to your parents or any family member?
No, it's not similar to my family parents, but it's similar to my brother. People find it hard to differentiate the voice of my brother and my over phone call.
Okay, this is good. Be confident, huh? Good job. Do you like your voice?
Yes, of course, I like my voice. I sing. I can sing when I am
Yeah, I can
alone.
sing well, and people say I have a romantic voice.
Voice as well.
Really? महल्ले चो किसी ने क्या तेरी romantic voice है?
No, sir.
नहीं? Okay. All right. Okay. Is your voice different from when you were a child?
Yes, as I mentioned before,
Good.
As I entered in a teenage, my
My voice changed.
my
As I
voice
entered
changed.
teenage, my wife changed.
Voice.
Voice changed. Yeah. Okay. All right. Good. Do you like to record your voice?
No, not much. When I record my voice, I find it irritating.
I get irritated.
I get irritated. I didn't like.
I
my
don't
voice.
like.
I don't like my voice.
I don't like to record my
voice.
huh?
Voice.
Voice, yeah, that's very good. All right, this is good. Be confident and try to answer in 4 to 5 sentences for every question. It'll be fine. But you have the talent, okay? Yeah,
Thank you.
mashallah. Good. Thank you.